Open it.
What we're doing is conducting some civil affairs training with the addition of a force-on-force element by using the airsoft weapons to provide us a more realistic training environment.
This is a STX, a situational training exercise, and what we're doing is we're taking civil affairs teams, which are 4 main teams, and we're putting them into a situation just to assess their performance, both as leaders and their performance as civil affairs operators and their performance to go in and survive on a battlefield. We are using airsoft replicas, which are one-to-one replicas of the actual weapons that our soldiers would use in an operational environment.
What we're using are airsoft replicas of M16A2 rifles. They're very, very similar to the weapons we carry normally. You carry something that's real similar to what you're going to use. You get a lot more training value out of it that way.
The airsoft guns hit just hard enough to let you know that you've been hit, and it's more realistic training. Even the magazines, down to the magazines, are approximately the same weight that our magazines are when they're full. The accuracy is still good at that close range. It still has the same sight. You still get the same sight pictures. Still got all the functions of the weapons we use. So everything on this weapon is already there, just like we have on our original weapons that we carry in combat.
The main difference from this over paintball is the fact that the weapons are so similar to our actual weapons.
Paintball is difficult because it is often cumbersome. It also doesn't replicate the basic load that a soldier will have with his weapon system. Because it's not a standard weapon system, the soldier isn't used to firing it. Whereas the airsoft replica, because it's almost the exact same frame as the weapon he has fired since he entered basic training, has a better training effect.
One of the benefits you hear a lot of the guys talk about is what they call muscle memory, and that's training with your weapon or a very reasonable facsimile thereof, like these are. They have a similar weight, similar size, shape, feel. And by using and training on a weapon that has the same feel as the one you're going to use, you develop what we call muscle memory, sort of an instinctive reaction where it becomes automatic as to how you operate the weapon and orient and fire it.